Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my last projects for the Spellbinders Designer Series Chantilly Paper Lace Collection, and I will be doing a recap of all the projects for January. I was having so much fun using the different dies from the Spellbinders Chantilly Paper Lace collections that I decided to continue with my projects. As you can see, I have made several different note cards and I just love the way they turned out. I think what you'll enjoy about the Spellbinders Designer Series Chantilly Paper Lace collection is that Spellbinders provides you with several dies per pack, so you'll be able to pick and choose which die you will use for which card. You can use all of them. You can do layers upon layers of beautiful intricate die cuts, or you can keep it simple like I have in these note cards. And as always, I will be leaving links in the description area below and in my blog for the sets of dies that I have used throughout this video. I know that I'm showing you a lot of projects. Like I said, it is a recap. So if you have any questions or if you are unsure about which set of dies I used for which card or notebook project or whatnot, just go ahead and leave me a question or a comment in the comment section below. And if you just happen to land on this video and you are not subscribed to my channel as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And what I do at Decorate Your Life is a lot of paper crafting projects. I will show you how I use my dies from Spellbinders. I will share with you traveler's notebook videos. Once in a while I will do a planner video or two. I appreciate you so much for watching my videos and leaving me such wonderful comments and acknowledging my videos with a thumbs up. It means the world to me. I hope that you've enjoyed my Spellbinders Spellblogger projects for the month of January, and I hope that you've gathered some inspiration from these projects, and I thank you so very much for watching. I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye now.